Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking the essentials. Confirm your Samsung TV supports screen mirroring and has the latest firmware. This avoids protocol mismatches. Once done, make sure both the TV and your phone are on the same Wi-Fi network, ideally the 5 GHz band for lower latency. Now open the mirroring app on the TV. On your mobile, open the corresponding app and tap the TV name. This first connection step pairs devices and initiates device discovery, so the next actions complete quickly. You should now handle pairing and permissions. When the TV shows a pairing prompt, accept it immediately. If a PIN appears, enter it on your phone to confirm ownership and secure the link. Next, grant the mirroring app permissions for screen capture, audio, and local network access, so media and system sounds forward correctly. Then open the app settings to set display ratio and resolution. Choose 16:9 or match TV native resolution to reduce scaling and prevent letterboxing during playback. To finish, optimize for smooth playback. Switch to your 5 GHz Wi-Fi, close background apps on the source device, and enable hardware acceleration in the app if offered. If you see lag or audio dropouts, reduce output resolution or, for critical use a wired adapter to the TV. If connection fails, restart both devices, repair the devices, and clear the app cache. Make sure your router isn't blocking device discovery. Check firewall and co-S settings. This single troubleshooting step fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.